tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere to tune in and subscribe.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I carry things rough by you. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. So you go, you know. Can't read the name in Pambola.
How much time I tell us that I don't want you?
I move, sir. I say you're sexy. Round like a square.
I say something to you now, sir. You see, I hold my head straight when time I pass. Me not see you. Please don't see me. Stop calling to me. You not understand. You can't. If a man like say, you not understand when time somebody don't want you.
You know, you're going to say, you know, but I know, you know. I can't you pour them boy up so we drive markets and crown and them something like that. But, watch your face, man. I still love you here.
Don't mention that because you walk foot. Stop watch out my life. Stop watch the man them when me there on. Oh, tired and bright.
I wish you walk go down the road and drop in a pothole and ring your ankle. Right. Auntie. Are you a long time there, so?
You can't me ask about it for no long time I did there, so.
I want you, auntie.
I say I expect to live.
What do you mean?
What you mean? What me mean? Me hear you and me see you.
I just call me there, I call to auntie. Me for the dead man. She don't want me.
She don't want you, but you want her though.
Little bit.
You can't even buy one soap in here for wash your face. And you out there look woman. You know so me tired of you. Come to think about me tired of you. A time for you go on. Let me come lower. Because me don't want you feel like say me high. You there with me for a little bit. And all me a try with you. You not make no headway. Me tired of you.
I go do better, auntie man.
Me tired of you.
I go get up earlier morning now.
You sleep free. You eat for free. Y'all defecate for free. The last time, me have a little reason. I'ma put for you little food. One side, I'ma write your name on it. I'ma write my name on my food, you know. And when me realize you eat for me food, but for me name the pan.
Auntie, watch you know. Me never say for your name.
So you don't know noodle. That your name, sir. That your name noodle.
Antonio, my name, Auntie.
So from all along you live here with me, no noodle me call you.
Mm-hmm.
So if you say for me name Pambula, you see? And your name Pambula, which one you supposed to eat?
Me fi it fiancé for me.
You fi eat fiancé for me, then have a little sense. You see? If you say your name Pambula, you fi eat it. Eat for your name. Me separate him, but me tell you something. I last I hit this. Me tired of you. Because when me put the things in my house to serve it in them, you eat off for me share, for your share, and everybody share. Me tired of you have to find somewhere go.
I don't find work, Auntie.
On a work alone, you have to find somewhere to go. A girl where they talk about this, so ask her to put you up.
Me no drive my Bex.
You know, drive my ex. Me see she come with her two hand and me see she a left with bag. And look at this time I put in them sitting you pack up and get the girl for me not foolishness with you. You have to go on, you have to go on. You have to go on, me tell you, Patrick a complain. Every morning before the Patrick get up and go on work. And he say when he buy the pit in them food to serve them for the week, you and yam them out. You can't turn.
I go take that.
No, you have to
Auntie.
listen to me, you got to go. You have to go.
Go find
Me
work
tired of
again.
you. Me a feed you, me a clothes you, me tired of you, bossy. Go on. Go along, me done with you. Go on, me tired of you. Tired of you, man. Enough is enough.
True, Auntie, at all. Supposed to know somebody, you know. I'm the right person. Yeah, man. Yo, Link, man.
Talk to me.
Yeah, man. What go on? No, I'm a police.
What do you mean? Me know say Anthony this man.
I want a link. Yeah, I want a link to a license.
Listen me. Any link when me not have, you know, make yet.
I say you're good. That's why you're the right person then, man. Alright then, so watch you now, no? I want you link up a decent license for me. One nice looking one. You can do that?
No, you way, alright, you way, you want a license, right? We don't have to talk. Pay for the farm. Take two passport size picture. Me, no man, no man. Listen, no man, tap, rush, no man. You sound like you want overtalk me right now. Whisper me there. Me there bring me house. Me I wait for somebody with some documents.
So about how much that I go cost you now?
Bring 50 grand there now, daddy.
50 $50,000?
Yeah, man. Just check me.
Alright, watch you now. I go put it together and come get a link in idea.
Me in the town right now, I bring me house. Just come down in the town, go to tax office.
Yeah, in I town? Alright, my boss. I go deal with it, you know.
Yeah, man. Just check me. Yeah, I'm bring money with you now.
Alright then, cool.
No wrong putting you now. Yeah, man. And then I want that.
Yo, Link man, what go on?
Yeah, man. Good news to find the next one. Yeah, man. Same procedure.
Oh, simple thing that man.
Now, I'm bringing 9 o'clock tomorrow. Alright, that's enough. Yeah. Alright, good. Just relax, man.
I have to, I will bring my house.
Oh, no, listen, man. Just walk come over, man. Aye, well on, man. You don't see big old style Bromella house.
You never see it. Big man, me never see it. They know should have tell me she use the thing where someone set someone like a house. And that I know that. Never see that.
So, beef tell us with a big old house.
Yeah, it's in the shape sort like a house.
So what about the road?
Nah, look so high, man. You see something in my eye. Wait.
Alright, anyway, give me documents.
So I don't know what they give me that for.
I want a picture of them there.
Son, man, you know me like sitting here, you know, man. Channel star. What? You need it, you have it.
No worries, man. That
You can deal with it.
That can stay for last.
Alright.
All no one knows that it's important. You
Right.
pay for this.
Yeah, man.
And the 50 grand. And so,
Yeah, man. Yep.
yeah, 50 grand.
You know, I never left my bag in.
You never finish high school? No, it's the reason why I asked you.
What you talking about, man? Every one I teacher them know me over that, you know. So take out fear out of that. Take out fear out of it. Take out. No take out more than the 50, you know.
No, man, we're good.
You sure?
We're good.
Alright. You left, yeah. You left for me right now.
So,
Mm-hmm.
let me tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I'll carry over Tipo to the big man.
Oh, yeah.
But, nobody owe yet.
Mhm.
How do you give me the look of 50 grand? You still have to do it, yes?
So that no deal with every, no?
No, you have to do it, yes.
So then couldn't just,
No, nobody can write nothing but the paper for you. Because you know what, when you go up on the road with the license, attach it because they're on the highway.
but man, somebody did tell me one time, say, oh, once you pay the money, you're good in it, you don't have to do nothing more, you know.
No.
Then just carry license and give.
No, say work, man. Can't be so. Come on, the money, man, I'll give the answer.
Oh. Yeah, man, then me can't, as long as the man did it, and we're good, so we're good to go then.
No.
What going on?
You never fill out them, man.
Eh? Then how me fi follow to sitting? Then you would tell me say me fi just get the farm and carry come. So see me carry come there.
No, me take go to tax office and pay your feet and collect the farm.
So now that me do?
You have to full out it too.
That never did it.
Yeah. No, nevertheless.
Yeah.
May feel it too.
Yeah.
Where name?
Antonio Williams, man, you just put in that, man.
And I same address where you same way.
Same, yeah. You don't know me that long time.
9 o'clock a man.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Depot. Link up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so.
What? Go on, man. Now call the big man, man. Let's go on,
So
man.
if we go left your money?
What do you mean?
You are keeping money?
Go on, man.
Alright.
9 o'clock. Yeah, man.
Alright. Morning, boss.
Yeah, man.
Here we do this.
Yes, man. No long me I wait for your brethren. Sit down yourself.
Why? What? Why we sit down yourself?
What do you mean by why we are sitting down? Oh!
But me just we come in the office.
Yeah, what we know. It's building up there refurbished. And so forth.
Let
Look.
me dress up.
Yeah, man, but we are in a tree, yes, sir. You're so cool and nice and well good. Just sit down, man. Just like a school, man. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, sit down, man. You know, just like when you go to school, my youth. Sit down, man. You know, you see them bencher. Might get bigger, you know, but I see them thing. But I think me, you can't even hold. Hold on there.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so.
Where you say, man? So where you say? No, man, enough for me this. I feel.
Yeah, no fear. Just hold the pen. Hold the pen. How what happened?
So you give me your work for, sir.
I know my work. You know the procedure, man. You have to go do a little write up and thing for the stuff and thing. How what happened? What happened?
You sit down right, sir, right?
No, man, I don't have to sit down with you. I'm about the place. So you just write everything and give me what happened.
Where you going?
I know my work, but your virgin tell us you have to do a little written test for the man. Simple sitting, man. That's right. I just follow the instruction. You don't write this, man.
Where you say me for put pan this?
Just your name. Just read the instructions and follow what it is. Just your name and address or whatever. Any little thing. Just read it something. Never to write this up. Just follow the instruction, boss.
Hold on, the boss.
What happened?
I wish I was saying I put my name again. Because I left my glasses now. I saw. I saw.
Look right, look here. It's sitting big, big, big. Look, see there? Name, address, DOB, date of birth. Just pull up with something, Virgin and thing. That's it, man. Simple little maths, man. But I write yourself. Then,
Right there, say there.
write yourself. Just hurry up and write something, man. Set up a thing.
You not move from there, sir?
No, no.
You say your name, right?
Virgin, look. Oh, I go on. Look on top of the thing, man. You say DOB, date. What? Sure. DOB.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
Anthony Williams.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
On the web.
Jesus Christ. What is this a phone? Anthony Williams.
Here's what I found.
Mad. Bossy, watch out now. Sitting around with the paper. Watch out now. You see like I wrong paper me get? Car. Yeah, watch out now.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. Go.
Me no normally. Watch out
Go,
now. Watch
go.
out now. This look hard still, you know. I feel like I wrong paper me get.
Jesus Christ. You want me now? I better cut it. Cut it. Come with the right behind you not talk too low. Me hear everything what you do. Me hear Siri. Siri, are your friend? Listen to me.
Girl.
Whatever. Boss man. You look like you have to call your brethren, you know. Because trust me, whatever you want, it's a harder task, my youth. Just go call your brethren, still, you know. Yeah, man, go. Go and go call him, because trust me, this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Not even a A.
But-
What?
So which part? Where's A figure?
Hold on, man. Why, man, we can't believe this. Brethren,
Which part the A figure? Yes, sir?
all right. It makes sense to us. Humble and us. Easy now. You have to get a brethren for you. Go deal with that deal with car. You know, look too good still.
So I'm going to call him.
Go on, go get a brethren.
And come back here, sir.
Yes, man.
So if we go back on the road in the bus, so we have to deal with this quick, you know.
No worry yourself, man. Because I see what happen. So,
Yeah, man.
why go get your friendship?
Brother,
No, no.
I'm sitting in my shoe.
I'm not carry on the car, it's love big.
All right, yo, you stay. You stay.
Hold on.
No, yeah, stay right there, sir. Stay right there, sir. Come on, man. Sit down.
What?
Sit down, man. Sit down. Yeah, man. Me say, we put down a little sitting to right if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A. He say, when me look at him, man, me see bend down here, so. See me, I tell the serious every spelling.
Really serious, you do it?
Yeah, spelling him. But if me say the man not even right A
Yo,
on the
yes, you
thing.
want me to tell you, we can chop a piece of food off of
Yeah,
it.
that me I tell the virgin.
50 grand me get gone, you know.
You what happen still? A PPV license plate him a look for carry towards him.
Jesus,
So well I know.
Regular.
And he so how we get that little fool man here? Well I know. Let me show you something. That the man look like he can chop a wicked food off I know because guess what?
Like what, so?
Hey, we can't lick all our 4 or 5 minutes because you what no man?
No, you're talking cars,
Yeah,
we
man,
can
yeah,
get 100 still, you know.
Yeah, what we have to do now? Zin, you get your share ID now. So I feel me time now, you know. But hold on there. Wait.
No, I won't
Wait,
get it. I won't let her get it.
Yeah, but you get your food, but just hold on and
No,
cut for
the
me.
50 come take it in.
Yeah. You hear me now. Zin, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, Zin. I'm gonna tell him say I want half a meal, but now can work for 4 because PPV license plate and easy thing to get. I mean we get in trouble. So you what me now. If you can collect the food from him, boom, come to me give a piece of food because
No,
work a risk, you know.
No, me can't read, you know. So when you call piece of food, how much that?
You done with that, about that. Sure.
The call piece of food can mean
Yeah,
1,000.
anyway, we have to go see what he must say first, because, you know, Alright, so I'll call
Can't
him.
believe it, the man really. I mean, I'm
Look at
going
the
to write up
paper.
it.
Look at the paper.
Write up a thing, man. Just ask him.
Not even a little drop come out of my pen. Nothing right. Anyway,
Call him over.
call him over.
Come in.
Yo! Come here, man. Come here. Yo! Come in, come in. Hey. Keep a straight face, you know. Keep a straight face. Can't look, you know. Make you look serious, you know. Come. Hold on.
I'm going to talk to him. Come on, so. Go.
Alright. You know what? Come on, man. Yo, hold it. Deal with it.
Yo, we can't believe it, sir. That we are near me and a paper. Me didn't know if you couldn't read.
Channel man, can't give me paper clean. I don't want to give me clean, isn't it?
No, I don't say work when they call me, you know, and tell me say you look more license. The reason why I tell you 50 grand, you know, you think give me 50 post up on the license, you know. Me think a regular license. Listen to me, it's a PPV license. Expensive. Right now the man want 400,000 because you can't read him and go write out all of them.
What?
I did $500,000 and then drop it down.
For this?
You want it or not? Yo, how you think you get tourist and can't read? Next thing you go see, turn here, you go turn this up.
No, but I can't read general. What you do? I just watching it. Me left my glasses and watch it. Remember that fine? You know, see that you gave me see something good.
Listen to me. This here mean surname. When it says surname, it mean last name.
What name?
Lord of God, Virgin. Surname mean last name.
Your name, my sir.
What?
Who for last name?
No, my last name. My last name, yeah.
I can't stop confuse me now.
And your first
So why pay your last name figure yourself?
Lord of God, I see why the man have problem with you. Listen to me. 400,000. Let's get 400,000 to come and get it. We can't take it straight. Yo! And the first problem if I go through with somebody like this.
400,000. He could have said 390.
Listen to me, remember saying a man can go to prison, you know. Remember, you know, because when you get the license and you see left turn here and you go take a right turn, right? And looking at people, vehicle and police come down and look on the license and ask you, how you get it?
I tell you, say, buy me.
God, God, you can't do that.
You know, buy me. So I never free.
No! You drive it.
Oh.
You know, buy life. Yeah, you know, buy life.
So if you tell a lie then.
I don't lie, I tell him.
But me never drive.
No, listen, 400,000. 400,000, do. You can't take it. 100, come on, fight. You want more, go on it.
Even 10,000 more?
No, 400,000, a big deal. A prison work that there, no. A tourist, you have plenty care, no. And once you lick a vehicle with them, you know it's a lawsuit that.
You see, because I want to live my pages, huh? Alright.
Mm-hmm.
400,000. Yeah, man, Tuesday we have the money. Tuesday.
So, go on. Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Everything up?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Alright, yeah, man.
I say 400?
Yeah, man, yeah,
400.
that work it.
So, you can't take a little piece of sitting for that feeling.
No, man, how you say, man? You go the wrong way, man. Remember, say we chop something, you know. And a lot of things involved. Yeah, man, so if 4 good, man.
400?
Yeah, man, a half of them sitting there, but
400 inside.
4 good. Work with the 4. Shh. Bridget, remember, say, yeah, we're there, man. A dipper, we're there, you have to take time to hold it. Now, you mentioned nothing about money over here. Make you see, you tell him.
Yeah.
So, take off your lunch money?
Boss, man, just make you stay away there, man.
Alright.
We rest yourself.
400.
Yeah. Shake for me.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Come on. You know.
Alright, cool. Yeah, man, you're good.
Rough when you carried.
Go on, man, check me. Can you
Rough when you carried. Rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have my name Pambola. When you carried, man, me take for your girl. When you carried, you don't know what going in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you carried. Rough when you carried. Rough and a carried. Rough and a carried. Whoa. Whoa. Rough and a carried. Rough and a carried.
Hey, Mas Lambert. Yeah, man, what go on? Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how I talk to you already, man. Yes. Watch you now? Yes. Me have a look on news here. So, you know, say my grandfather dead. Or him a go dead. And we are sell out the goat and the cow them. I don't know if you don't want 2 goat and 2 cow for buy. Yeah, man. Here he cow there. See how he sound fat? Yeah, man. And that we are sell. Me I tell you, say cow rosy and nice, sissy boy. And the goat them proper. Watch you know. So for 2 of them, I get a good price, you know. I want 400,000. You get the cow for 400,000, but me I give you a goat as brata. Yeah, man, a simple look sitting that, man. You can't deal with it. Yeah, man, just cool, man. Just, brother, me not lie to you. Alright, so here what? Carry $400,000 come and come link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. No, watch you know. You can't transfer them in the day because they sleep in the daytime or only in the night time then wake. Yes, so we have to wait till the night before we can move them. Plus, me don't too like people up in my business. Isn't it? Because you don't know people watch and chat more while. So me not too like that. So here what? Link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. Carry the van. You know which part to meet me. Alright? And remember to bring the money. Alright, my boss? Remember, you know, 11 or 12 o'clock sharp. Good? Cool. Don't ramp with me, you know, brother. Yes, you do a good cause. Because remember my uncle want the money.
Yeah.
Big up. What go on?
That's this, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So what go on? Everything alright?
Yeah, man, I have this.
Yo. Give me the bag now, man. You have the money? Give me the money, man. We have everything I say no youth. Yeah, man. Everything in there.
Shut up.
You have everything in the boss. Yeah, man. Anyway, so, see this international. You know what this means to youth? All the nigga are foreign, you know.
Can fly out with it?
How we are saying when you drive on any highway you drive on, and you use that. Look for that.
Clean, man. Wait,
What do you mean?
we can all sit through it. But wait on the boss. What is a whole offer?
Hey, you see that hole? That hole means prosperity. You understand? Hey.
But wait.
Hey.
I hold this, sir.
Are you that? I mean, who this? Now you that, man?
I don't mean that.
Yeah, man, look good, man. Look good. Then you say you can't see without your glasses, man.
No, brown.
You say, look here. Let me explain something to you.
See the Anthony.
Right.
Yeah, man, are you that, man?
I saw Anthony spell.
Boss, man, you know say you don't have your glasses with you, man. That's why you can't see.
Yeah,
And plus, them picture there, you know, are when people bleaching and then come back too. Now you that, man? Look good. Are you, man?
Me did that straight nose and time I did
Jesus,
younger.
peace, Bridget, are you that, man? Are you that?
Which photo this, sir?
Jesus, peace, me say I used to bleach, but you get back black. Yeah, man. Are you, man?
Say I mean this, sir.
Are you that, man? Are you that, man? Yeah, man.
I'm not sure.
Boss, man.
Are you? Listen to me, man. Look, you don't need. What I do? Are you?
I try to take
I
it.
don't see picture. You see what I'm taking?
I know, yeah, man. 3D. 3D. Ever hear about 3D?
I 3D this.
Yeah, man. 3D, man.
It's
It's
a
on the
3D.
sound. Yeah, man. That's why you have to look at it.
Hold on, man.
Oh, where you get picture from?
Hold on it. Me never remember if I carry picture then come give you. So where you get picture from?
Oh, guess what? Remember say you're big and famous in a year right now. And you name Anthony, you know. So me just use here and Google you don't find no.
I Google me.
All right. I have Google picture.
Google this, sir.
See this all that? All right. See it there?
That's why the whole of it because
International.
Yes, man. Right.
Hey.
Prosperity.
Hey, this shot, you know.
Prosperity.
Your police can't chat to me, you know.
you drive too fast and not crash, go too normally. When I see police turn on 4-way flasher.
So me not just show them this and then gone.
No.
Hear what, man?
Just keep it in your pocket, man.
Hear what,
Oh, me
man?
if you put it down.
If they
Yeah.
ask you nothing about the complexion, just tell them say you use the bleach. That is all.
Right.
See, we just make it look a little brownish, but are you that? Are you that, man?
And me?
Yeah, man. Are
Yeah.
you that, man?
It might show a straight face, but that's when take it.
Oh, you know say if me turn you one look away, it's fear with you do.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, me see it man, me see it. If me turn it, yeah man, me see that.
Alright, alright.
That 3D sitting there.
Let me not tell you, man. Yeah, man. I new type, man.
Yeah man, yeah man, yeah
yeah,
man, yeah man.
yeah.
I eat man.
Yeah, yeah.
I eat, yeah man.
Yeah.
Come in that.
You know, $5,000 more for you.
No, never care. This look for the yeah man.
Yeah.
Never, no. You all have to go bank.
No, one. Everything good.
You good? You sure?
Yeah, man. We in general all the time.
Now talk a little bit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah man, I can't walk out of this.
I mean, man. Nobody
Oh,
can
don't
talk
show
to you,
nobody,
know.
you know.
No
Don't
for
tell
sure.
him they have it, but not show nobody.
Nobody can talk to you.
If
Internal.
anybody
No.
asks, yeah, listen. If anybody asks where you get it, just tell them, say, I Google it.
Oh.
Google it.
You wanna start with that?
It's when Siri and Google work. It's when Siri and Google
Yo, man, I gotta give you enough more work.
Yeah, man. How about yourself,
Me a
man?
pull for bridging, you
Go
know.
on, man. Go on.
You want wicked better than where you find that?
Hold on. I mean, you call Ricky the way you call yourself.
No, but I think you're actually taking picture and put it on something.
That the man, they come in like some boy. He have 5 cents. He come like 3 or 4 missing. How you get him?
I'm just rub me eye, come here, say, I would have blood first here.
No, sir. Oi. Every day wants to somebody like that. Anyway, give me back.
Lord
back.
of God,
Give me
man.
the. Hey, if I make you worry too long.
Couldn't forget it.
Oh, clean. Yo. Hey.
Yeah, so, no,
Relax, man. You get your peace. We
but you know,
Eh?
when me look on him, I say, you couldn't find one dog, somebody, man.
No, you know, it's the only one we could have find. But we know same dog a bite, man. Don't worry
If
yourself.
police ever tap him, you know,
Him get what they don't get.
I straight prison, you know. Him not come back.
Yo! Love his business in a youth. My best, man.
And tell him,
Anyway,
man, tell him,
we are going to drink out first. So follow me, man. Come.
All right, big man.
Yeah, what are going, brother?
No man, boy, help me get the license, you know. Unless him could have helped me get all a taxi down. You know I make a money, man.
What are going?
Yeah. Dog, go on. Yeah, man, yo, dog, license, good man. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man. Yo, dog, I want to tell you something, I keep it out of me. Every time me looking at my pocket bag, my license, then you see it. Me ready for the road right now. Anything at all that can help me get. Me say I use your name is a link, man, you know, man. Yeah, man, taxi, robot, anything at all right now, brother. I drive around some white people in some vehicle, anything at all bike car, you see me? Yeah, man, they not do. Brother, man, just call them and just set the link to my G. Anything at anybody. If you hear nobody or know anybody when know somebody when know want somebody, yeah, man, just tell them, say, oh, me I look alright, you see me? Brother, just deal with it, no, man. White plate, red plate, pink plate, any color plate coming and we work it, man. You don't know my thing already, man. We work anything, man. Listen, yeah? Alright. Make sure you link me, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, my general. Cool. Mr. Link, man. Them boy are full of links still. You don't know, man. Less than a 3, man. Get that.
So, SMG, why I
Wagwan.
Real, man. I really want fast in our business, but I look at taxi for run, you see it?
Then I fast in my business, man.
Nah, man, just there, so I go on, you see it, chill out, you see it, I make a
So you hear when me I talk on the phone?
Yeah, but then people now walk past and I hear loud, they are taxing them for that. That's all loud. But me have a one taxi, me have a one car still, you see it? don't know if you is it interested.
You say I have a one car there?
Yeah, man. From last week, I try to get one driver feet, but
What you say?
is
Send me
it?
no the real right driver, brother, man. I want
I
you.
say,
Me a drive from my idea, me need, brother.
I saw Jarrett, man. Kite me, yes, sir.
Yo.
For my phone, I try so I can, you see it?
Then a God send you, yes, sir.
I tell you, man.
Yeah, man. From your born, man, God send you come, man.
I tell
Yo, I saw me know how Jah works, you know.
you.
You're a real link, you know. Yeah, man. So what you say? What the I name?
Yeah, man, a tsunami then call me still.
Tsunami?
Yeah, you see it?
Eh. Antonio Williams, me name still no, but you don't know them know me in the street as Noogly, you see me?
Oh, see.
Yeah, man.
The machine around there so still, you
You
know.
around there, sir?
Yeah, man.
So when I can go look on the machine, man. Where you say? Hot right?
Anytime I want to see it,
Hot
man.
girl?
Pardon. I look on it right now.
Yeah, man. Like a God said, you know, my G.
Alright, what I say, you see it?
I'm good, man. I'm good, man. I'm good, man. I'm good, man. I'm good, man.
You ain't a drink?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Boom.
No, I'm a general. Yo, watch out. Yo. Love man car, brother, and I'm my car this. Yo.
Say no what?
Father, and I'm my car that. Come in, man. See my car, brother. Love people in car, brother. See my car. So I'm to this. Nothing wrong with the brother. Yo. Come in, man. I just want to cut dent, bro. Nothing wrong with him, father, man.
Jesus Christ.
No car.
So you have a car there?
Just someone of these. I just want to cut dent. This is my father, man. I said that, man.
Little dent.
Yeah, man. I just want to cut dent.
Me I see you like belly.
Yeah, man. I say, man. A good car, man. A brand new car I buy nowadays, too, brother.
The whole of my foot go out the door.
Man, I say, man. A brand new. I want a lady running in the back of the man. I'm running in one taxi, man. That's a simple thing, man. But insurance, we give me all $3 million. So I go and wait off so I can get all one little thing out of it. You know, yeah. But for right now, I want a little thing still. So you can run the road. I don't know red plate, but you see me, I want a piece of food. God no.
So
you say?
I'm going to use that one there.
Brother, and my car, that brother is a youth or what is a car, that brother. Take your mind off of that. You want to work or brother?
Yeah, man. You
may put your phone and look at work. Say you want to run taxi, man.
Why?
You see it? So I say, if you get the red plate, you know, but you can just go and run some robot. Go down there. You see it?
I deal with it, man. Yeah, man, I deal with
But
it.
you want to? I want to see how you drive, you know.
I want to man, I'm a big driver, you know.
You say you're license, but I want to see how you drive.
Light so fresh. Are you there hold it up so you can see straight
Eh.
Good. Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
You see it there?
You know, me not have it. Me not have it. Me left it can walk. Me walk forward. You see me? But yeah.
Alright,
man,
you may say that no. I just want to see how you drive then. And then,
a simple thing that
I
man.
want to know where you live to. Just show me a yard and I want to see how you drive. Done 2 things that we done. You can't take a car and go on the road. Look some money.
So you want to know if family?
No, because you want to, if nothing, I want to know you're there. You see me? I want to know my car there.
No, sir.
You
Me
get me, I say?
not treat too.
No, I don't know this is, but then you wouldn't want to know your car there, sir. You just want to give somebody one car so and then gone and you don't know where they live. No, man.
I never sign up for this song. So when you look work,
No.
you don't forget the address stuff?
Yeah, what you mean? So when you go for interview, then you want to know where you come from and them things, brother. You just take a car so and gone and I don't know where you live, brother. And I like me at this, like you know, thief. But I just want to know where you live and I want to see how you drive. So you ready, you know?
Alright.
Come in, man.
Alright.
So deal with it. See here.
So you couldn't push down this?
Nah, man, you see show insurance, them not take the picture yet. Me just love it like that, you see me? No worry about that, man. That good, man.
So you sell it again?
That good, man. Come in, man.
Jesus Christ.
I remember say back like, you know, but a simple thing, man. A simple thing, man.
That can't happen?
No, it can't. It can't bust. But
So suppose more and load it up and carry 15 one time.
just carry them on the top, man. Come in, man. Know
I
yourself.
think it you want me get in.
Know yourself, man. Watch out now. Any luggage you get, carry up on the top, man, and tie them. See?
That's what I'm going to do.
Come in.
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, man. Man, a big driver, you know, my boss. Yeah, man. Big driver, long time, you know?
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Fast machine, them, you know. You have to take your time, man. You see me? Oi, man.
So sitting there now work good. That
That
now work good, man.
How you come from, man?
That now work good.
Eh?
That they now work good. Where I do now? Where you say we are?
Yeah, me I say now, oi. You see that? I know, so you fight with it. Let me show you what I go on, because you have to go learn to put on.
That now work good, man. That hang me a while ago.
Listen me now, man. Alright, look, nobody mash up you know, because you don't know, you know.
Where you say now?
Put in a drive, find the and go on the road. So I go on fast and quick car. What do you, alright? Yeah, look for your phone.
You say me if you find D. I wish for you put it.
So I'm on a mad man. Brother, drive me mean, put in a day.
What you talk about? Show me what you talk about. It's a carrier.
You're not right man for your work.
No, watch you know. You see that carrier? I want a new type car them this. Yeah man.
You know
it's a new.
You don't look like you can drive.
Just show me where you say. I bet you say me drive it.
Hold on, if me say find D and you look with D all about in a car, that means you can't drive.
No, but watch you know more while people tell me say then drop them money and then sit there and I have to look for it. So I think you're sitting at D.
Brother, sit there. See there. D.
And if you did talk all along then half a moon if you say me brother. You see there? Half a moon. And you go so and you gone. Yeah.
So this half moon.
Half a moon. And this a nitro. And this a race.
Brethren, I can't mash up no more.
Me nah mash up a car, brother, man. Me never yet crash yet for how long me have my license.
Alright, listen. Take your time and go on, because you don't know. Come like a teach, I have to go teach you for driving.
No, I don't want to teach, I'm a big driver, I'm generally.
Alright, hold on, calm down. See it there? You see when I put in a gear, as I say you have to press this on the side.
Right.
You can't just drive like you want broke off. Press this, put in a D. D and a half moon, and a half moon. It might shape like a half moon, but on a half moon. You understand me I say? So that a D. You see R, a reverse. You sound there?
Race, right.
No, on a race. Reverse. P, have a park. So like a tap now, you just put in a P. You understand? So you don't know. Press this and put in a D. And go on the road. So put in a drive and go on now in a D.
Yes sir?
Yeah man. Take your time brother. Yo.
I want to go on this sir.
Say every month take your time.
No man, watch you know. I'm a slippers.
Go on the road man and take a time.
See man a big driver that one hand man a whole steering with you know. Yeah man, right off down here, so you see me?
See it. I don't know where you have to know which by you living in case.
Yeah man. Right off here, so you see it? You wanna know the exact house?
Yeah man.
Exact house, then right there, man, right there, so.
Okay, right so.
Yeah. Right there, so.
The pink house eh?
No man, you see I look on the wrong place, man, right there, so me say, man.
Alright, that's where you live. Alright. So you not go by your yard, you know?
No, me no need to go.
Alright.
See what me I talk about, yeah man, I'm a brother, you see me?
Praise.
Yeah man.
Alright.
I'm a brother.
Yeah man.
So yeah, I'm more while me there so too, you see me?
Praise.
Yeah, you know? I'm over there so too. Yeah. You don't know. You have to, you know?
Praise.
And look at places, you see it? And show me go live good with everybody. Yeah, see it? Everybody know me, you know? Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, man.
I'll give you a car for your touch your road. See?
That's cool, man. You see car, I love me, man. You see car fit me, brother. Watch it.
Touch your road.
You can't hang up on the side of, yeah, man. I saw it. Yo, brother, I tell you, so the car drive decent with me, man. Me feel it, man.
So you wanna? Just me get the money every other day.
Every other is there.
Every other day.
Brother, I feel like every day me all would want to come game, man. Yeah, man, some day with it, man.
If every day I just
Yeah, man. Yo, brother, man, is an honest brother, in man. Yeah, man. Anything, yeah, man. Money for come in, man. You see me? I do the right, man. Yeah, the school, man. Yeah, man. Straight. You see it. So, what may I drop off the eye?
just let me anyway down as someone.
Anyway, don't answer.
Let me as you touch the road now.
That may start to work. I show you some really need it. Right, that's all.
That's me fine way going.
Alright.
Yes, every day I get my money.
Every day like clockwork, my general.
Alright, brother.
You don't know
You
the
find
thing,
me
though,
where?
man. Your school,
You
man.
find me where, man.
Big up yourself, man.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
So no say nothing there. Here.
Just hold it, no, man.
Alright, brother.
And watch no man, nobody call me, you know, me we call you, you see it? You see me? I saw the thing set. You see me, I go shout him, man. Just say a word, man. I go take on the road, wicked, man. But me not pay the phone, no, man. You see me?
Tell him.
Alright, my general. Outside.
Me call if I nothing, man.
Man,
I don't know.
Alright. Yeah, man. They go for the ride, yeah? One and move, two and drive. I have my license to you, so yeah, me legal. Nigga, one and move, two and drive. Yeah, man. The people them there. When you come in, man, remember me legal, you know. Yeah. Mommy, nigga. Mommy, nigga. Alright. No, man, go on, man. She not go your way, man. Out the way there, go. Alright, hush. Let's say a word. Nigga, my G. Green jail. Nah, I got it. My license not got green jail still. Yeah, man. Mommy, nigga. Yeah, my license, you know, I carry it, you know. No? Alright. I get it now, you know, my general. I get it now, you know. I get it now, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nigga, mommy. Hold on, make that carry fast. I don't want nothing empty, you know. Alright, go on, see you, go on. Nigga. Alright, come through now. Tell mommy so I get the license here. Come now, people. Nigga. Hello? Bossy, where are they? Where you say? Me there, man. No, bossy, watch out, no. Me just come on road, you know. No, I'm just come on road, man. Nothing even one passenger not gone in there yet. Still empty, bossy. But now watch your face, man. I start you out, man. Nigga. Just say a word, man. As soon as my match up that thing, man, I come link you, man. Yeah, man. I run off this, man. I want to see bossy. I can taste that tonight there. Is it? Bossy, not even a scratch. Somebody takes there. Yeah. Nigga. Aye, bossy. Bossy, I call so fast, man. I know I didn't even forward in that machine. Say then, empty ride, you know. One and move, two and jack, mommy, nigga. You're traveling at back, you reach late, you know, traveling at front, you reach faster. Yeah, man, you know, say I 3 bills to them turn off at all.
I know it's a good bad, man. You don't have to worry yourself, man. You know what things.
Yeah, so though.
Yeah, man, right. Very child blue, man. Yeah, this too. How much you say? You have change?
2 bills plus the 3 bills turn off, so 5 bills that.
1,000 me have, you know.
1,000, yeah, man, I have change.
Alright.
Alright. Respect, yeah?
Yo, guidance, here.
Alright, man.
We catch up, man. Just be safe on the road, here.
Alright, brother.
Alright, guidance.
Yeah, Keisha, baby, where you go? So, where you go do?
I saw me, I go yes, but me not go nowhere na that day. Cause that day mash up. Well,
What
who
you
you
mean,
think I
mash-
go really gonna look?
No, man, no watch that, man. I want to look.
Me not go nowhere with you in that.
Keisha, you
I
move,
saw me I go, and me not go
But Keisha,
nowhere
watch
with you
out.
in that.
Me get my license, you know, baby.
And what?
Me legal, you know, no
That
police
not
can't
say-
stop. Watch out,
That
Keisha,
not
man.
have nothing to do with me,
Keisha, the
baby
school,
love. Me
hear
not
me?
go in
Just hear me, I
that.
say no, Keisha, man. Just come sit down in that front seat, man. Watch out, come sit the right side. I'm in a baby girl, turn on all the AC for you. Come on.
Say pick my friend PSC.
No, but I know what you do.
Eh?
But hear me, I say no, baby. Come, man. Come, man. Me never put you in a back, man. Come, baby, man. Just I move some, my friend. I carry this now, you know. You don't know the thing. Yeah, man, come sit up on the front seat, man. Yeah, baby. Cock up your foot up on dashboard if no, not really do that still, but yeah, you know. Yeah, man, put on your seatbelt too, you know. I want to you. My car, this, you know, baby. Feel nice, though. Yeah, man.
Thank you, I got my destination.
I just saucy, sir. Hey. Yeah, baby, I want to, you know, long I want to put in on my front seat. Yo, a long time I tell you, I plan to get the ride to put in it, and I have it you now. Don't know the thing, yeah.
Would you all that the car side they mash up and look so?
No, man, don't watch that.
As you get that the car, as you get the little car mash you up already.
Okay, no matter watch that, man. You might watch the man. Is a cow walk out for me, you know. I swear to God, me no man tell you say, yo, me never see which part the cow come from.
Oh, you want for salt?
So this,
How long you have it before cow walk out?
just get it the other day, man. But watch another man. I go get you on $2 million insurance off head car. Watch another the cow insure. And so me insure comprehensive, you see me? So me think them will give me back a food. So I saw me tell you so the thing.
Go before you make cow walk out in
no, man, watch another man just careful, man. I make sure take time with you because me no want nothing happen to you. I want to carry you safe away I go, baby. I want to you. Plus we can get that though.
Talk about?
I'm taking you about a long time and I look you, man.
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. How are you, man?
Yeah, man. My name is Robert Brown,
Yeah?
and I am here from Forts. I'm a bailiff.
Oh.
I don't know if you know one Rowan Daly or you are Rowan Daly.
I mean, man. I mean that, man.
All right. So
How I go on?
you can recall that you took a fan from our company.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I take one funniest. How I go on?
All right. So we realized, upon checking, realized that around 5 to 6 months now you have not made a payment. So I'm here to retrieve the fund.
Retrieve? What you mean retrieve? What
Yeah, man. Me come to take back the fund.
Oh, you mean take back your fan?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But if
yeah,
but still,
know.
if you can do something for yourself still, we can probably give you a little extension pan. You can go and keep yourself cool.
What you mean? Like, would have come down and make a payment?
No. So give me a thing.
Oh, you?
Yeah, man. Cause if you go down there, you have to go pay full 6 months. You understand? But if you give me a little money, you can go and take it fan and go and cool down.
So I give you that money now. You put it on the bill.
Boss, let me see if I can speak patois.
You have to talk.
Yeah, man. Let me see if I talk patois. You what go on now. Me spell it out for you. You who are the company. If you go down there, you have to go pay a fee full 6 months, else them are go take it fan. But me, willing to only take one little portion of your money, maybe 1 2 month payment from you. And for myself, not for your company, for myself.
Yourself?
Yes, for myself, and you go and use the fund until, because Mark War, you don't use more than 2 months, you know. I mean, I only take 2 month payments. So if you give me that for myself, you can go and use the fund. But if not, me have to go take it.
But I never you me take a fan from, so I can't pay you. But so you say I find you come for.
Alright, the up to you, my boss. Me nah go beat you on the bush. If you can't do something, me have to go take a fan. It's
John
simple.
no star. Time what I know, brother. Alright, hold on, let me see what I go on. I call. Because I have one little taxi on the road, you know. See if I can get to you, brother. So you can wait for 25 minutes and...
No, man, go on, make your call, man. Make your call.
Alright, hold on.
No, man, just do it fast, because me have a couple more people to go collect from you.
Alright. Hold on there, yeah.
Yeah, man, hurry up, man, hurry up.
Tell us if hurry up and carry my destination. I'm glad for going away in a no car will look like this.
Hold on. Someone else call, man.
And who I call him?
I want man who want the vehicle for rent, man. And I tell him say we don't have more vehicle for rent out, you know. Cause you don't know, man, businessman already, you see it. Somebody just rent him a vehicle, but not have time for that, you see me?
Don't know, star. I'm not get to. Well, say you couldn't check me back in Monday week, my boss.
Me sorry, no.
See, I can line up on like
No, my boss. Me sorry.
Man. Do me a beg, my boss.
Me understand, man, because me had to, but you have to just go for your fan. The dog tied, oh?
No, sir, not time, no.
Alright, hurry up. Me don't want no dog bite. Go on for your fan, my boss. Please.
Boy. Babes, Babes.
Hey, baby.
Why?
Hello.
It's a brown, you know.
Who is him?
Mm-hmm. Must say, him far from the foot, so I find him come find look at the one over there.
Which one?
So look at we are still, but
You mean he forward for fun? What you mean? May I use the fun? You mean he forward for fun? Be talk to me.
you know, 1,000 I put in, you know, five 1,000.
Me not have no money for me for game.
Mm-hmm.
So why you have to give him money? What happened?
No man, I'm good man, general good man. Alright, let's go for fun cat, come on,
But may I use the fun be?
my boss. Respect my talk, but
Go for him.
no.
I know me not gonna send this place. So we not this hard. I'm sorry. What is?
Alright, sign right to some boss. Yeah, man. I'm pass the fun same time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right this way you see X. Sign your name. Your name. Your name. You can't write your name. You can't write your name. Alright, no worry about no name. Just write one X there. So. Yeah, man. Even that you must can write X. Alright, good. Alright, then. Thank you, my boss. Yeah, man, and thank you for doing business with us. And please come and shop again. You're able to come again and shop, you know, but you won't be able to get any credit. Alright, sir? Have a wonderful day.
Oh yeah, go.
See me I go down a Ravian. Me can't turn this a heat. Me can't stay in the heat, be.
Me have fun, man.
Me can't bother. Me a go down with my friend. Me Ravian have fan down there, have air condition, everything. Me not hot when me down there. Me can't take the heat, be.
What about that, man? Me
Me
fun, man.
can't. Me
Me fun,
can't
book
take
it.
it. Me can't.
Man.
Me let go back no. Me can't take it. Me can't take the heat. Me a left man. Get back one fan
Me tell
and
you something,
call
me fun,
me.
man.
When I get my one fan, me come back. Me can't bother.
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, 600,000, and the man say, man, for this, and I tell them, say, I'm saying, I give 700,000, because I say, I don't want nobody have no chat over me, you see me? Some of my things stay, you see it? Man, I'm baller, you know? Yeah, man, we are talking about, man.
So like how you give that the man they want 100,000 for on top of that they 600,000 they know you must can give me one 600,000 too.
So, simple thing now, baby, I want you.
But me not go why you do. Cause you not drive big car, me no wine or nothing like this.
No, man, this a me weekday car.
If we can do some traffic stop right or so.
Okay.
Hey, you see a taxi boy there? See my man every time the guy run taxi, you know, every time I'm on duty, so my time up on yard with it.
So, but by the way, Constable, you getting no time out?
Oh, time out, no sir, no sir. Indeed. T08 over to control. Yes, we on location now, you know. We're at the Petersfield to Rowan River intersection here, and we're doing a little traffic stop. And the time is now 4:15. Sometimes I can't manage control to you, know, brother. Because sometimes I call him, brother, it's like, I beg them out there, so. If you send out some patrol vehicle and them something.
We still have to make sure so we contact them because
Oi, man, oi! Pull over, man.
I see you driving without your license plate. It's a hide. And I don't like it.
Yes, boss.
Are you alone in our car, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let me see some papers. Because I don't feel like saying because in a L-line I place. I don't know why I license in the car.
No, we license and straight, you know.
Alright.
No lean, you know. But we're up to date. Yes, man.
Alright, carry on.
Alright, respect.
Alright, very good.
Alright, boss.
So you have to do a little 1 and 2 stop. That's one.
I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, constable. I don't really want to do no work today, you know.
But wait. You know, just come off for graduation, man. What you mean? You're fresh off the market. You're supposed to active. Let me tell you something. You see me? You see me they just graduate and them station me up a sentence. Eh? You're a bad boy, you know. Rotted. Me don't stop taxi man and them out do them a traffic business, yeah.
So you done here, sir?
Hoodlums I send them back down so because me have to clap a tree. Them little boy that they get out and I have to show them say me is dangerous.
No one will say so bad, Sarge.
I mean, I think them call me Sergeant Burger. Eh? We take boy life like a burger, man. Cheap.
No one will say so bad.
What you mean?
But, so, I don't really want to jump and try fight no bad man, you know, because I don't really want to get shot, you know. That's why I make sure so me give my time out, you know.
No man, I'm telling you this man. You say you can't be too fool, you know. You have a gun for you can't be too fool.
Yeah, but sometimes if I shoot somebody, what if they lock me up?
No man, just make sure you have a little extra piece or hold something. Put on for them if anything. Stop the car then. Stop the car then. Go to the road, man.
Morning, sir. Turn off your engine now.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Yes, buddy. What on? You don't realize you broke the stop sign down there, sir? No, I not broke nothing. Nothing about today. You broke nothing, bossy. You don't see the big old red sign? See one right there, so too. You never see it? I only just put that there, say no bossy, because I never see that. We will see some papers there, sir, because a taxi I run. No, which taxi? I'm a family. I'm a family apart, bossy. Your family? Yeah, man. Get on the glass and see what going on.
Don't turn on back your vehicle.
Sorry.
Don't turn it back on.
Alright. Yeah, man. I'm a son. I'm a daughter. You see me? You don't know him?
No, sir.
Hello.
No.
Let me see some paper.
It's a prank. Me tell him say fi pull, is it me? But yeah man, put back him money in their pocket for buy ice cream later on, man.
Hello, step out of the car for me.
Buy ice cream here.
Step out of the car, sir.
Remember I know. What you not tell mommy say me soon for here?
Step out of the car, sir. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Me forward,
Cause you take policeman for
no,
fool,
come
man.
out of the car. I'm a family them for true. I'm a family them for true, man. I don't like. Me not lie, sir. Miss officer.
Are your family and them a walk away?
Me tell them say for go buy the ice cream. I go tell them for buy. Is it me? I'm send them. Remember I know. Buy and don't you can't keep it change. This is my family. Good baby citizen, you know, Mr. Officer. We don't block rule all about here, you know, sir. See that?
Give me a search for me, love.
No, boss.
So with the license.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I have my license. You see it? Yeah, I know so now. You see what you know, because I know so now that I go try and stop. Yeah, man, you see it? You see you hold it up on the show? Constable. I say, go man, the license. Yeah, man. I mean, man, watch out, man. You see if you see it? Yeah? Shut if you not see two shut one eye, yeah? And you see it good. Turn on. Yeah, see what I mean?
You take
shot one,
policeman
yeah.
for fool, boy.
No, Mr. Officer, me just get it.
Eh?
Fresh, Mr. Officer, watching the man. And the man said, watching on the examiner, say, when they hold it up so, and hold it to the light, it show clean, you see me? And it hold straight through.
You take the policeman for idiot.
No, man. You, listen to me. Your goose cook today, you know.
No, goose, Mr. Officer.
Too much things are going for you. This, you don't light. This your license and it belongs to you.
I'm my license, I'm pay for it all of $50,000. What you say?
What your name?
Anthony Williams, sir.
This not belongs to you, you know.
Yeah, man, my own, so I'm pay for it.
You don't look like this a person, and you don't name Mr. Ruan Reed.
Sir, if you hold it a little bit to the side, to the light, you see how.
Yeah, man, I said, like me have to call in control and get them come see this vehicle here.
I don't call nobody, sir. But you know eat lunch already?
I bribe you, try bribe officer.
No, well,
No.
would I never do that, Mr. Officer?
I'm good. Make you one man for say.
Yeah.
What officer for
I
you?
don't know if you don't eat lunch yet, you see me, car.
How much you say you pay for the license?
400,000 pay for it, man. Yeah, man, because then they say it did kind of one little express is it. And so they send it quick.
I know this a examiner here. So, I don't know what you're going to do for yourself. Is it that we are going to take a vehicle
No,
or you're going to send it to the examiner?
we know which party you live, yeah? Or which party you work. We know which party you work, man. But nothing wrong with the license. What wrong with the license? It's brand new, you know.
You can't read.
Eh?
You can't read. You know, like you can't read, none at all. You can't read.
Eat lunch already, you know say? Want to eat lunch already?
No, man. No.
Breakfast, we're going to eat lunch.
Yeah, man, sir. You can't read.
Yeah.
You can't read.
Yeah.
Alright. Go for your test, sir, they come. Because me want to know.
What you know?
Yeah, me I say no.
But if it glass, I'm in my heart still, you know.
Yeah, me I say no. Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they on it. Here?
Your daughter.
And you gonna tell me, say, look on this. Are you that there? This look like a you? Are you that?
When you hold the side, mate.
When more side you like a you?
You see, there is a. I'm a yeah, them there.
Okay. What word is this?
Rat that. Rat this. Rat that.
What is one?
Am I see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
What? So not, but
Smell mercy.
let me see it again one more time. What
This is saying carry, don't it? This is say a fool in take with her, don't it?
Glass. What you know, me left a glass.
You left a glass.
Me just left a glass. Me no normally. Just let me see it one more time. I'm gonna tell you.
Come here.
You can go.
Stay right there, so. And don't take your hand off my car.
Yo, this someone you can't read it.
Sergeant, first me ever see this in my life.
Alright now. Yeah, well, it could be a little more clear, you know. I say if you have no money on it. But whatever I make today, I go for me. Tomorrow for your day, you understand?
So I can still get one juice.
Yeah, man, we can go drink 2 juice right now and like a bar and so my family live in place.
Well, that good then, man. Where is it tomorrow right now?
Yeah, man, whatever we make tomorrow for you. This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right?
Me not understand that, sir.
You can do for yourself.
You can wash, you can cook, you can clean. None of that we are asking. We're not asking that. What you can do for yourself because as I can see, make sure you know say this a light here are over 25,000 for one. And if you get one of them fender there, this is in your bumper here, fender guard and everything, it will cost you money. And if you see it's a vehicle again, it will cost you money again on a pound. So what you can do for yourself? As you can see, we out here and we start sweating up. We are work.
I did ask someone if I eat lunch already. I'm sure everything out of the pocket now too.
No man, you must can do better than that, man. I'm telling you, we look like you. We can do it $100. Give him that back there, man. We can do it.
Do better than that, man.
Me just come on road now, Mr. Officer. Me just come on road. I swear me never been as you run out the 2 passenger them.
Hear what? This is because this a license and belongs to you. And you obviously like say car probably not belongs to you. You have to give it which part, you have to give it the person where you get this from. You see person where you get the license from, you have to tell where in there.
Yeah, man, me can carry go to him, man. I'm a virgin. Know him. But me can carry to him, man. So me can yeah give me back. No, no.
That man are really done, you know. Alright. Mr. say you don't so 100. Come with you over here, sir. Can you have to give it the exam, man? We'll give you a chance.
Me know, yeah.
We'll give you a chance, man.
Yeah, man. So where I go?
Yeah, man. Cause we can't have too much on the drive up on the road we can't read. What is that?
Okay.
Boy, what a word you?
Yeah, take up with time, sir.
Yep.
Take up with time.
You know make this easier for yourself, you know.
Shop. Hot.
Here, just give me some jumping jack then. Just some. Jump and set. Stop. S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop. And that means you have to stop. You understand? You see the red? It means danger. Stop.
So me say,
And stop. Right, so you know man, you learn to spell stop, man. When after today, when you see this, we know what I mean. If this you come out to your head after today, you know if you drive on the road. S-T-O-P stop. Come.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop.
You just give me 50 of them there. 50 of them there.
Yeah, we so come. Stop.
Right.
S-T-O-P stop. S. We're tired.
Oh man, continue.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P.
All station go ahead and acknowledge missing person message.
Yo.
Receive control. Right, control. Highway T75 receive. Constable 489 from Moko Hill receive control.
I'll tell you something. You know that's what you have to?
Right,
Smart.
control. Kindly take the time out and
Yeah?
catch them duty in the Denham Town police area. Yes.
I was smart, you
I
know that's
Corporal
what.
T2 and Constable 11. Yeah, we go until 8 a.m. Safe noted control. Receive and be safe.
You can't be too jumpy as a police, you know.
Control, assistance, control. Fast. We need some assistance right now, control, in the Kingston Central here, right beside the Go-Go Club, control, right at the Go-Go shop.
Thank God I turn, cause if I didn't ever do something, I move. I can't move. Thank God I turn. But hope we be safe still. But
Hey,
me tell them if I didn't know it, then I something I move friends, brother.
you know, said anyone send me up a town side though.
Hmm? Me tell them, me always tell them, say no, man. It's a downtown Kingston. You know, but I go down and say, go on like you know, fool police. Man, them with dash away down there, you town that, you know. Tell them little boy there, I can't trust them. Even when me there at town, I tell you. Enough of them, you can't go dash them down a river town, man. Enough of them, man.
So, how you know want commissioner then?
Commissioner,
Yeah.
oh man, me tell you something. The thing I force us, so. A lot of Obiang going, you know. A lot of them sitting there going. So sometimes
What you say we not? Cause me I tell you, me do the work, but what is the superintendent woman there, Miss Black. I tell you, they palm me chase, wicked.
Team from Kingston
There's so much
Central, be safe
gunshot.
and take cover. A team of 70 police officers and 80 soldiers will be there in short order.
I'm glad I told you there.
Yes, control, and pleased to see if I can give one of them $5,000 to carry on them because one of the squad of them or a small bill down at the club. T128, you're on your own with that. Shift commander central to note.
Right thing, chief
Commissioner
commander tell him.
128 receive. Squaddies, when I come in, please come and see me.
You can go
Alright, my
drink
boss,
rum.
we check in. That time for make it in still.
Well, you know, you know how going, see? You can't turn up, you can't sit in one place too long, you know. You can't make people watch your move as a police. You have to be total. You understand?
Mm.
So, I'm glad I told them to sit there and go on now, because then I said, me no run up and down no, as a police, I stay to myself. But I
So
not come out and come go like me a hero, you know.
Stop. Yes. Stop. Yes.
When you can't read, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa, rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. You know, sir, what day when they see me lose, it too call them Sarge. When you make a report, Pio, you get to understand that's I'm a grandson. And him friend them, take them away. So, right now, me come and now and I look about the code them, come check the code them, can have some water for the code them. And me have the two bull kin tie out on the front out there so. And the two bull kin no see disappear. No get them get away. Can me tie them. Tie them well good. And so on, Bunny. And when me look around and see me no see them, then disappear.
Are you sure, say your you're sure?
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Alright.
I'm gonna deal with it for me, sir. I'm
Alright.
deal with it for me, Sarge.
Alright, no problem. Because you can't have your things them and have your grandpitney them a thief them. That's not right. Eh? And you are a man, an elderly man. That is that is actually ill right now.
And look for me, sir. Ill. And so on, and me tie me things them with me one hand. Use it and do everything. Everything. Cause see me ride my bike. See me bike down there where me carry water and feeding in a
Alright.
things them.
Alright. Alright, just come down to the station and come make a full report, here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sarge. Okay, sir.
Alright, take care.
Yes, sir. Yes, Sarge.
Yes, sir. You run out of gas?
No, I'm not run out of gas.
I want me a punch out.
No, I'm not punch out. What? Alright?
No, me I go to work and the time they go. I mean, I want to reach late.
No, I got late, man.
So wait little bit, you see me? I know somebody are man.
No.
So what cause me can stop right here, so?
Lady, you can't read.
What you mean?
You don't see big old stop sign there, so.
Yes, it's stop sign there, so what?
So I have to wait till it go green.
So when it go look here. You see stop sign, different from stop light. You can never know. You see any stop light right there, sir?
Yes. Stop one like you want to come take man for idiot now. The other day I come out here, so, and the police stop me.
I'm there so the whole time, and then take on my papers, and then take on my license, and I now make them do it again. So them say anytime I see stop sign, me fi stop. So lady, I stop, me stop. And me now move till it green.
You now move till it stop sign green.
Miss, just
So
sit
the
down
police can
easy.
they tell you say stop sign and stop light? That can change color. You know what kind of little idiot? Hold on there. What kind of idiot driver?
We have to take out the seatbelt.
No. Why me take this a taxi here?
So me not go carry you go where you go, miss me just a wait for the light.
You know what?
Sign for change.
From the beginning, me shouldn't come in your car. Look on your piece of old car when me come in. And just 2 minutes later, me could have get another taxi. You come here, so waste my time and come tell me about police. So when you see stop light, stop sign if you stop. Like a stop light. You sure see you hear what the police say?
Miss.
That is not a stop light. That is a stop sign.
Wait, say, miss.
Look here. You notice the road turns so and so. That means you need to stop here so.
Then
When you
stop,
carry
stop.
a boat. But you tell me about that I got change color. How the stop sign color got change? You idiot. You know so the taxi boy you a fool though.
It's a stop, miss. I'm a stop. Me I obey my law, you know, cause the other day, me get a whole heap of money me have to pay.
No man, I buy a license. Where you get it from?
I'm not talking about this buy license from the other day. Now 400,000 pay for my license, and miss I'm a legal something I'm buying, miss.
Say, look how much you damn idiot. I wish examiner give you license. You damn papi sure. I wish depot you go.
You want your number?
One which number? Fidua. You and the examiner idiot. He man rob you and trick you damn fool. How give you license? I like a uno no fi dep on the road. Cause no cause accident.
Think, Chris, man. I bet you say you get a ticket when you start drive.
Get
Watch.
the ticket, you idiot, you damn fool. Who
Watch
give you
now.
license and you can't read? You're big and dumb.
How you mean by
But
the
when
can't
you
read?
stop
Then
at-
we gonna stop that, let me see.
I will tell us
Who
stop
can read
sign.
now?
Yes, of course, it's stop mark on it, but it's not a stoplight.
What you mean by?
One way
The police have to stop.
Yeah, keep up my time. And I can't tell about where police.
I idiot, man. Oh man, you idiot in there. Somebody know say, hey, I wanna make the world bad, you know. Wanna no learn. Wanna fi take telling. Dog, this is one idiot. I don't know me pick up all on you know. Man tell me fi stop, I'm stop. Think me a idiot. Crosses. Long time man there so now you know man. I can't move you now. Will the passenger gone you know.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl.
Noogle me come to, big boss.
You say man nobody names are still
What's no. You probably is enough name that man Antonio Williams didn't say name.
You say man nobody names are still though. You know say me and my daughter and me auntie live though.
But you don't say you say you live still, is it? So is it?
I think I can get right address though man.
No man, alright, that's how you say you live man. How far care that?
You say I feel me one though man.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you don't say you say you live still, so I don't know. Noogle man you drive one Nissan Wing Road man. And the front type mash up man.
Yesterday I'm there though, I see pass me going on the scheme though.
One grey Nissan Wing Road.
Yeah, right front type mash up man.
Front type mash up and the back sinking.
Yeah.
I'd see a man. So you say yes sir? In live?
No, I said but in the one bar around the road yes man.
Jesus. That's all man, everything good.
Alright, my general.
Yeah, my brother. Where say bar? Around there, sir?
We're going to go in the corner, sir, man.
Around the corner?
Yeah. Oh, that's what supermarket do.
Alright. Me say you can get taxi, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright, me get a taxi, sir.
Alright, my general.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody, yo, baby, you see that? Watch out. Come in, no man. And that me talk about, you know. See it there? We're richer now. Watch out. Anyway you want to go, baby girl. Oh, you talk no matter laugh. A serious thing. Anything you want right now. Me give you a piece of food. Quick and fast.
We need all of that.
No, your chest too, little bit too high. Watch out, baby man. Me can carry it anywhere you want to go, you know, man. And my car that park up out the door there, you know, man.
Can't fraud me.
I know the car me I use right now. The car me I use to carry you. See the money now? You can buy anything you see it.
Yeah, my general. See car right now. Left me right, sir. Right, sir, man. See car, man. Yeah, man. Right, sir. Right, sir. Yo, respect, you know.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah, man. Only for respect, brother. See, yeah. Yeah, man. I eat this. Take it from him, man. You see it? Oh, go on, brother.
Style, I ain't a baby girl. No, mama need it
Hey, Mr. Noble.
rough.
Brother, about 1 million times I call it, brother.
Nah, man, what you talk about, man?
What you
This
mean,
a
no,
phone and a
man?
ring, none of that. You hear my phone ring from winner? No. Me all a talk say, yo, nobody no call me from money, nobody never remember me G.
Virgin,
Nothing no go so, man.
Virgin. From me, listen to me, I say, I don't want to embarrass you in front of the lady, brother.
What you talk
Brother,
about?
just give me a car key, my father.
What you mean you want it? What go on?
Brother, look at the man from me, give you the car, you know, can't not even $1 come give me, brother.
You mean you tell me soon forward, me
Brother,
John,
I mean
man.
soon far. Be a style thing at that one, brother.
No, man, watch out, man.
Style thing at that one,
Road
brother.
at.
See me call, yo, you me
Road
call
at me
post,
G.
brother, you me call post, come back off my fan, brother. Yo, give me my car key, brother.
Just give me a second, my general.
Brother, you me call my woman left me, brother.
Watch yourself, you can't. Watch out, don't tell her, show her vibes to this, you can't.
No, man, I'm not depend that, man.
Just give me a second. Me go carry a thing come here later.
No, watch out, man. Just give me a car key, brother. Come with us, come with us.
No, watch out. No.
Watch out, man.
Just
you car key. Give me a car key, man.
Big brother.
Now the news. 2 men were sentenced today to imprisonment for carrying out fraudulent activities in the Westmoreland Parish Court. The accused men are known as John Green, also known as Monio, as well as Romain Black, also known as Linkman. Their lawyers said that they'll be applying for appeal in the near future.
My God. Then Linkman and Money did a really thief?
Auntie,
Mm,
I'm getting hungry.
you're getting hungry? What's that me for girl? Sasha and tell her this.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I carry.
Yeah, man, so subscribe, share, like. Yeah, man, do anything you want to do with the movie. And remember, I have a music channel also. It's called J Tsunami Vivo. So you can run go over there. Go subscribe as well. The J spelled D-R-A-E. Tsunami without a T. S-U-N-A-M-I. J Tsunami Vivo. Cause the music as well too, you know. Yeah, man, we can sing to man. Oh, yeah, say, man. So go on over there and go show on the support. Big up on yourself. Just enjoy the one. See?